Well, it was a hot afternoon across the Tennessee Valley, and we are only going to get hotter heading into the next couple of days. We're quiet all across the area, and we will stay that way for the rest of this Saturday and even looking ahead into our Sunday. Low temperatures for the overnight tonight expected to fall into the mid and low 70s for the most part across the Tennessee Valley. 74 expected tonight here in Huntsville, 76 in Florence. Fort Payne expected to fall to right around 72 degrees for the overnight. Now heading into tomorrow, it might seem like we are going to start the day off with a little bit of cloud coverage. Either way, we are going to be seeing sunshine tomorrow, so don't worry. And we're also going to warm very quickly. Notice for the afternoon, high temperatures are expected to warm into the low 90s for the day. There may be a small opportunity for a passing shower, mainly in the morning that could carry over into some of the afternoon, but a widespread rain, we're not expected to see that tomorrow. In fact, I'm expecting most of us to be staying dry. Heading into the overnight tomorrow, temperatures will be falling into the 70s once again, but high temperatures aren't stopping there. Notice heading into Tuesday, we're looking at the upper 90s, and it looks like we'll stay in the mid 90 to upper 90 range beyond Tuesday until about this time next week, when those temperatures are going to drop into the low 90s. But either way, it's still going to be pretty hot. We've got a ridge that's beginning to build across the Tennessee Valley. And what it does basically is it acts kind of like a lid. The warm air will rise. It has nowhere to go, so it just sinks back down to the surface. So that's why it's going to be very hot heading into the next couple of days. We've got this heat advisory that literally was just issued about 15 minutes ago. This will be for the entire Tennessee Valley. It will go into effect right around noon tomorrow, last until about 7 o'clock Monday evening. And that's due to the fact that we could see heat index values as high as 106 in most areas across the Tennessee Valley. And heat index values will continue to climb heading into Monday and into Tuesday of next week. And then even looking ahead to the middle and back half of next week, heat index values looking to stay in the 100s. We've got a lot of moisture in the atmosphere, so that's what's helping to bring up those heat indices for the next couple of days. I want to show you this heat impact map. This basically shows you how impactful the heat could be if you don't take proper cautionary measures through the next couple of days. So we've got scattered major heat impact throughout the Tennessee Valley. We'll watch what happens heading into Monday. It becomes widespread. Basically all the entire Tennessee Valley expected to see major heat impact heading into Monday. So now's a good time to just remember a few of the heat safety tips. Limit your time outdoors. Obviously, you want to stay hydrated with plenty of water. Check on your pets and your elderly as well. Rain chances remain very limited through the next 7 days as well, so it's not looking like we've got a whole lot of rain to help cool us off throughout the next couple of days either. So your 7-day forecast has us in the low 90s for tomorrow. Maybe an isolated shower or two decides to pass through. Heading into Tuesday, high temperatures looking to warm into the upper 90s. We'll stay in the mid 90s heading into the middle and the back half of next week until we get to about Friday. And looking ahead into Independence Day, temperature is going to be remaining warm, and it looks like we could see a few isolated showers, maybe a few passing thunderstorms heading into this time next week.